Hi there, and welcome to this overview of our WordPress theme. Now, for those of you who do not know, we offer a free WordPress website with each of our marketing packages. Doesn't matter if you're on our base package or our premium package, every one of our clients can get access to a free WordPress website. Now, the reason why we did this is because we had so many businesses coming to us that wanted our help with marketing, but their websites simply weren't good enough. And a lot of these businesses simply couldn't afford to have a new website developed, or maybe the website they had developed recently they just paid for that and it wasn't good enough. So we decided to offer this for free. And it isn't just a matter of building the website and leaving you to it. We will migrate all your content. We will, during the process of the marketing, optimize your content, make sure the layout is the right layout for your customer, and make sure that user journey is right, restructure the site in the best possible way, as well as some other aspects that we look at as well. But ultimately, you're getting a very good, very fast WordPress theme that is easy to update and easy to manage. And again, if we're doing your marketing, we can manage this for you. Now, we can offer this website as a separate paid service as well, so we can build you a website and we can create that if you don't want to take our marketing packages and as a one-off fee, basically. But as I say, each one of our marketing packages, we actually provide this for free if we feel it's necessary for your business. So what I'm going to do is give you a brief overview of some of the pages that we have on the website. Now, this is version 5 of our theme. There's some new functionality we have added to it, which we're quite excited about, as well as giving you a little brief showing you the back end of how easy it is to edit these pages. So again, you can sort of see that as well. So you can see here, this is the home page. So we have nice big image. This can also be a background video, but again, sometimes you need to be careful with that for site speed. So at this moment in time, we have a background image, and you can see here we've got H1 title. So this is good for SEO. It tells the customer exactly what it is that you do. We can have some extra text, add some buttons to various pages. It can even have a tour search on there as well. So we can add that to the pages, or if it's not required, we can simply remove it. And again, because we have done so much testing with consumer journeys, etc., when someone lands on the page and lands on that home page, they see exactly what you do, and as soon as they scroll down, we can pull in your latest reviews. So we have a widget that we use. We pull in Google reviews, TripAdvisor reviews, reviews from Facebook and Trustpilot and other platforms as well into the one widget. So it'll pull in your latest reviews and display that right under the banner so people can see that you are a trusted company. And the good thing about this as well is we can set this to only show 5-star reviews or 4-star and above, whatever it is that you want to show there. And as we start to scroll down, we go straight into products. So we have a few different styles we can do to show products. So this is one of the styles where we can roll over. You just see a nice image and the title. If there's any promo, we'll see the little promo banner. That could be 10% off or whatever that would be. That will highlight on the card as well. But as we scroll over, we can see a little bit of information and the price. Further down, I'll show you the other style that we can have as well. Bit of text for SEO. You may want to show some USPs. You may do 24/7 calls or whatever that may be, but some things that you maybe want to highlight there, hotel pickups or something like that. All that can be displayed there as well. We have a promotional panel, which can be to promote a gift card or whatever it is that you want to have on there. At this moment in time, we have some deals. Maybe we highlight a little video, which we can click and then launch to do that as well. We've got a newsletter sign-up form, and then down here, it's just to highlight a different style of tour that we can display. So you can see here we get more tour cards with a bit more information, some short descriptions, and a price in here as well. So that's the other version that we can use for displaying tours. Pull in the latest blogs. You can see all the different blogs that we have here, and then your footer with all the necessary bits at the bottom as well. Now, one of the new features on this website, and this only works with the internal booking system. So this website does actually come with its own internal booking system. So you can set up availability, you can take group payments, deposit payments, do all the things that you would expect to do. Though there is certain limitations to an external booking system, like your Checkfronts, FareHarbors, Resdays, Bolkins, all the other ones that are out there. They will offer a lot more functionality because that is what they're built for. But if you're only looking for an enclosed system to manage yourself that can connect to Stripe or PayPal, this theme actually comes with that built in. And you can even have customer logins, so people can log in, see their current tours, look at their wish lists, and do all that side of things as well if they're using the internal system. Downside to the internal system, is it does not connect to OTAs, so it will not connect to your TripAdvisors, your Viators, your Get Your Guides, etc. So you would need to use an external system for that. But if you're just looking for an internal system, it's more than capable for most instances. And if we don't feel it's suitable for your type of business and the way you set up your tours, we'll let you know and let you know that you maybe need to use an external system. But the reason why I mention that is this new theme. And this new version actually now comes with multi-currency. So if you're using the internal system, you can set up multi-currency for your products. So you can set up in dollars, Great British pounds, or euros, whatever that you wish, and then the user can then select that and then pay in that currency. So it now has multi-currency capabilities, but again, that's only available when using the internal booking system. Your own external booking system may have that functionality already built in, but the prices won't display on the website. So if you're using an external system, if you want to display your price in dollars, it will display it in dollars. But you can still use this to an extent to highlight the different currencies, but when you go to pay using an external system, it will be whatever's been set up in that external system. So if it's been set up in dollars, you will pay in dollars. But the internal system allows you to pay in the currency that's selected. So that is the homepage for tours. The new functionality in version 5 is we can now accommodate accommodation. So we now have an accommodation side to this theme. So we can, has a different search, allowing you to select different room types, check-ins and check-outs. Again, having that review widget there as well. And we can set up different rooms. So you can see all the different rooms, set up the whole booking for that. You can book multiple rooms at the one time. So we now have functionality for the accommodation side of things. So, and the good thing about this as well is it'll allow you to have both experiences and accommodation on the one website. So if you happen to do both, you can now do that on this website now as well. But you can do either or if you only do one or the other. So we can now do accommodation, and then you can see here we're highlighting some things to do around that destination for the accommodation. But we now have accommodation. If I click into one of these demos, you can see here we have an accommodation. We can view the galleries or any videos. We have the price, book a room, or we can inquire. And this is its own internal system. We can have this connected to an external system as well, which will just go off and connect to that. But as you see here, we have now got a page for rooms, and you can add all the information you wish on there that you need for your own accommodation. So that's a new feature that we have. If I look at the tour list, this is basically a page, a landing page will display a list of all the tours that you have on the site. We can make this filtered, so if you wanted to filter it out depending on the type of tour or the activity, we can do that as well. Obviously that will work in the search. So very similar to layout there. Get things like custom trips, so if you just want to do a custom trip that people can inquire about, you may be doing a custom itinerary, especially for like multi-day, we can create landing pages for that. You maybe highlight some nice information, and then a form at the bottom to then take that inquiry. So you're always finishing with that call to action. So we can do things like that as well. Destination pages, as it suggests, we can pull in destinations, and then when we click in, you'd have a destination based on Scotland with some information, highlight the tours or any places to stay if you want that on the page, and do all that side of things as well. We get promo pages, similar to the homepage, but maybe you want to have a hidden promo page for ads or Facebook ads or something like that. All that is built in, and we can create all that as well. And you have your usual about us and blogs and reviews and everything else with that as well. Now reviews, just similar to that widget, now we have a review page. So when people can then view all your reviews across the different platforms that you have, so people can then click in and see what you've got in here and even write a review. So if they click on this, they can go to one of these areas and then leave a review on your platforms of choice. So they can actually do that from your own website as well. Well, this will pull in different reviews and then they can load more. So it has that capabilities as well as your usual contact pages and everything else. So again, we've optimized this theme in terms of speed. We're getting an A rating across desktop and mobile. And we've optimized the layout to a layout that we've seen or research and the countless of websites that we've done for small and big companies in terms of the user journey. So when we build your website, we'll make sure that the structure is right for your business, but also right for the user in terms of how they get to inquiring or booking as quickly as possible and finding the right information. So that's the general layout of the pages. Again, to show you the back end, if I want to edit this page, I can basically simply click Edit Page. Now some of you may be used to WP Bakery or Elementor for editing website pages. This is so much simpler. You can see here, there's a title. All I need to do is click the little pencil icon and change the text of that title. Simple as that. Again here, this is just general text. I can click the little pencil icon, or I can actually just double click. That will launch the editor. If I just add in a couple of extra full stops so you can see some changes, I hit save. You see the changes here with the full stops. If I'm happy with that, I click update and that will go live. It really is as simple as that is in terms of editing content and stuff like that. I can move elements around. So if I wanted this button to be before the title, I wouldn't, but if it was just to show you for this demo, I can simply move that to that side and move the elements around. So it gives me the flexibility to move elements around, add new elements, change the column size for each different element. So I can basically create layouts that suit the needs of that page and suit the needs of your business. So it allows you to move things around, do all the things you would expect to do, add new images to backgrounds, changing background images, all that sort of stuff. Very, very easy to do. So let me go to a tour page. And again, it's very, very similar. So if I go to a tour page, if I edit tour, I can scroll down here. I can edit all the little icons. If I want to highlight certain things, I can add new gallery images and change the gallery images, or add a video link so it launches a video. You can see here I have all the details, what's included and excluded, what to expect, maybe some highlights, the itinerary. If you want an itinerary in there, again, you can just easily click on the itinerary, give it a title, add in some text, etc., and do that for each one, and then that will create a little recording of the itinerary that people can then click to see all the different days if you happen to have different days in your itineraries. Embed a Google map if you want to do that. Highlight reviews, so this will pull in the same review widget and highlight that on the page. Maybe you want to add in some FAQs, etc. And like I said, the layout of the page is optimized to be a nice way. So you see the title, some highlights, gallery, and then we start going down. You can see here this menu sticks, so if I click on any of these, it'll automatically go to these areas. So it makes it easier for people to navigate, and then the books widget stays on the side. Now this is the internal widget. We can also embed your FareHarbors, Checkfronts, Resdes, Bokens, and most other booking platforms into that side as well. So that could just be a simple book button that launches a window, or depending on the widget, you might embed a little calendar, etc., etc. So it allows us to do all these different types of things as well. So it's a very flexible, very fast, very easy to use and update theme. We're very proud of this theme. We are excited about the accommodation side as well and some of the other functionality that it offers. But we can give you a more deep dive demo if you wish to, and give you more an idea of how it all works. But this was just a brief overview of the look and feel and some quick ways of how you can edit content, just to give you a general idea of how the theme works. So if you're interested, please do get in touch. No, as I say, we offer this for free with all of our marketing packages. So if you come on for the marketing package, you have the option to have this built for free, and we will migrate all your content and set it all up for you and do all the groundwork for you. But if you do want just the website without our marketing packages, get in touch and we can provide a cost for that as well. So hope this was useful. This is our new version 5 of our travel tour theme, and we're excited to get it in your hands.